Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your tax file number or TFN in Australia. So all you have to do is head over to ato.gov.au, and from the website, just scroll down until you see the tax file number section. Just click on the link. Next is just click on what is a tax file number. And from here, if you scroll down, you should be able to see a post that says where to find your TFN. And starting from the list is from the ATO app. All you have to do is download the ATO app, log into your account, and from there you should be able to see your TFN. Another way is through your income tax notice of assessment, and it could be on some of the letters they send to you. It could also be on a payment summary or income statement from your employer, or on your superannuation account statement. And as you can see here, you can contact them, and you should contact them as soon as possible if you think that your TFN is lost, stolen, or being misused. All you have to do is click on the link. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!